Alright, what's up, guys? Welcome back. This is another Cash Group Online production. Okay, my name is Damien. And, yeah, welcome back, for another video. Alright, now this one is a brilliant way to make money online, and it actually works. It is so amazing, okay? It's just so amazing. Alright, so now the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to have a Shopify account. You're going to need to have an AliExpress account, and you're going to need to have an eBay account. All the links will be in the description. Alright, um, okay, so now the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and go over here to eBay, and we're going to go to alright, now you might want to do bigger products, that way you get more profit. All right. Me, I am not going to do that. I am actually just doing Halloween items. A Halloween item right now because they're trending right now. It's not gonna be that big of a profit, but it is a profit no less. And we're going to go to this one right here, which is selling for $11.19 at this time, and as you can see, 400 or 540 are viewed a day, and there has already been 1115 sold. Okay, so now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go to Purge Mask. I'm going to search it right here, and now what I've discovered over here is that there is one selling for this amount right here, um, which is $4.50. Why would you just look at that? Alright, so I'm gonna go next out of this one right here. Alright, so now with that being said, you're gonna want to um go over to your Shopify account now that you have made one, and now down here you have your store where you can customize your store. Now obviously I'm not doing a tutorial on how to make a Shopify store. You're gonna have to watch a tutorial on how to do that somewhere else. Maybe I will get around to it. If you would like, just let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video, by the way. But up here under all products, we're going to click add product. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to download um, all of these pictures right here and whatnot, and you're going to want to go over here. Now first things first, I'm going to go right here. I'm going to copy, and I'm going to paste, and I'm going to go back. I'm going to go down here. Come on. And we're going to copy this, go back over here, and we're going to paste it right there. Now I'm going to go down here to upload images, and I have already saved some of the images. So the first one, I'm only going to upload a few of the pictures right now. I already know which ones I want to upload. And it's the last one, I believe. Yep, it is. Alright, so now price is $11.19 over here on eBay, as you can see right here. Well, I'm going to round it right to 0 cents, and I'm going to go ahead and say $11. So that way it looks like they're getting a sale, but it's only 11.19. It's only $11. It's only 19-cent difference really. So go down, 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 and save product. Okay, now that it is saved, we're gonna go over here to online store. We're gonna click view store, and I'm going to go ahead and X out of Shopify because I don't really need that right now. And if I go down, you could see the picture isn't working because my browser kind of sucks. Alright, now you can see they can add this to the cart and buy it. That is pretty amazing, guys. Okay, Now, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go over to eBay. And now I'm not gonna go through all the trouble of showing you the full thing on eBay. You just watch it on Shopify, and it is not that hard to make a listing on eBay. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do is you see this right here. You're gonna want to click register, and once you are signed in and all registered, you're gonna want to click sell, and then you're gonna want to search for a keyword LED purge mask. Mask and enter. Okay. Okay, now you could just got it. Now you can just go down and choose which one you want to do it like, and we'll go ahead and we'll save that one right there. New with tags, and obviously it's gonna make me sign in now. I'm not going to go through all of that because after this, you just literally do the same thing that we just did on Shopify. You make your listing and then you post it. All right. That is how we do that, guys, and it is an amazing way to make money. Okay. Actually, before I go, one thing I want to show you real quick is .com purge mask. As you're scrolling through things you want to sell, or you might want to possibly sell, like look at it like this, right? Look at these 186 plus sold. All right, guys. That's a good amount sold. And they're all basic. A lot of them are going for $11.19. Most of them are. All right. So you want to when you're selling items, right? Any item, you want to look below the listing and see how many are sold because you're not gonna want to sell something that zero have been sold. Because that you're not. You want to sell something that a lot of them are selling. Like look at this right here, 1,278 sold. Okay, because this must be a very popular mask right now. Um, and Halloween is coming up, so Halloween things are trending. So is um that is something you want to look for is things that are selling a lot at the moment. Um, but yeah, so um I will be uploading. Oh, and by the way, one thing I do want to say, sorry, about the ADHD guys, but is a lot of people don't understand how this works. All right, guys, and that's really surprising me because honestly, I don't understand how you cannot understand how this works, guys. All right, how you're making money and not spending any money. The reason why is because if you can go over to AliExpress and get one of these masks right here for $4.50 and then sell it for $11.19. Everything besides that $4.50 that you spent on it is profit. Okay, what happens is these people come to you, they buy it from you. They give you the $11.19, and then you take $4.50 out of that. You go over to AliExpress.com and you order it, and you just make sure that instead of putting your own address, you put the buyer's address, and it'll be shipped right to them. And then whatever is left over is profits that you made. All right, that is a very good way to make money. A very good way to make money. Um, Literally it takes minutes to set it up and you're gonna make a whole bunch of money, guys. So thanks for watching my video, and I hope you come back for episode 3, guys.